Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you the 5 Airfix kits on sale from Lidl this year to keep you and your youngsters busy during the summer break. Each of these kits is available for just £6.99 and each comes with paint, paintbrush and glue. Here are the kits on offer. First is the Hawk Jet Trainer in the colours of the world famous Red Arrows display team with its eye-catching red and white colour scheme. Also in red and white is the de Havilland Comet Racer from 1934, one of the most elegant aeroplanes ever made. Then there's a helicopter, the sleek Aerospatiale Gazelle, in a fetching blue colour scheme. And finally, two classic British vehicles, the long wheelbase Land Rover with a trailer, and the all-time icon that is the Aston Martin DB5. These are available as of mid-June 2026 in Lidl stores across the UK. If you can't find them in your local store, do ask about them as they may be on a repeat delivery order. These Airfix kits will make a great project for anyone of any age, great for the long summer break, but not bad for birthdays and even to put away until Christmas as well. And at less than £7 a go are a real bargain. Well, that's it for now. If you found the video useful, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and ding on the notification bell. Thank you so very much for watching and goodbye.